If you've been injured in a car accident in North Carolina, there's 3 red flags that indicate you may need the help of an attorney. The first one is if during your first conversation with the insurance company they're trying to settle, that's a red flag. If the first conversation you have with the insurance company, they are already trying to resolve your claim, then they want it over faster than it more likely than not needs to be. You've more likely than not only had one doctor's appointment by the first time you've talked to the insurance company. You don't know how you're going to feel 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even 3 to 6 months from now. So if it's a situation where the insurance company is offering you something and you question what it is they're offering, feel free, give us a call. The second red flag is that there's a dispute as to liability. Often we see scenarios where a police report may indicate one person is at fault over another. But after thoroughly talking with the individual, after they've contacted us, it becomes obvious that this was not their fault. Oftentimes there's video camera footage on such things as a GoPro that can help to substantiate that person's claim that it wasn't their fault. Sometimes you may just be a passenger and it really doesn't matter in North Carolina whose fault it is, but yet you're still stuck bearing the brunt of an insurance company that doesn't think their driver was at fault. So if you're running into either one of those 2 scenarios, please give us a call. The third red flag is when there's just not enough insurance to cover your damages. In North Carolina, the statutory minimum of insurance right now is $30,000. If you've been injured in a motor vehicle collision and you've suffered injuries to which $30,000 wouldn't compensate you, what are your options? Give us a call. We will do our best to find any other applicable insurance policies, review the defendant to determine whether or not there may be some asset exposure. But we will work through this to make sure that we try and compensate you and make you whole.